Hey, what is up, guys? Today we have this 2010 Chrysler Sebring 2.4 liter engine. I already replaced this motor mount, link in the description below. But on today's video, I'll be showing you how to replace this motor mount right here, the one that's under here, which is this one right here. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to replace it. I'm going to show you right now as well why am I replacing this motor mount. You can see it's broken right there, but I'm gonna turn on the car and I'll show you guys better. I have my friend inside the car. He's gonna turn on the car so you guys can see. And he's gonna put it into drive and he's gonna hit the gas pedal so you guys can see. Look at that, how bad. Wow. All right. Look at how bad these motor mounts are. Look at how the water keeps vibrating. And if I put it on reverse, it's gonna make it even worse. Look at that. That is crazy. Look, I'm not even hitting the gas pedal. I'm holding the brake. Car is on reverse, and look at the water. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the whole car is vibrating. I don't know if you guys can see my watch. Look at my watch vibrating. All right, so in order to replace these motor mounts, we're going to have to work from underneath. I already lifted up the car in the air, and super important, you have to have jack stands. If you don't have jack stands, don't even try, because it's super dangerous. Safety first, guys, because you don't want to die replacing a motor mount. So I have two jack stands in the front. You can probably just do it at one, but I put two so I can have more room to show you guys and to record. And let me go underneath here so I can show you. So this is how it looks from underneath, right here. So we have to remove this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and this bolt right here. Before we do that, we have to lift up the engine just a little bit to remove pressure from the motor mounts. That way we can replace them and put the new one on. All right, put a jack underneath. It's better if you have a 2x4 or a big piece of wood to put underneath here. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use this instead. So just pick up a little bit. We're not gonna pick up too much. All right, using a 5/8 socket, we're going to be replacing this bolt right here. And using the same 5/8, we're going to be removing this one right here. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to be removing this bolt. That's here. And now just wiggle it out. It should come out. There it is. Wow, check it out. Look, this motor mount was shut. Look, wow. So of course this is the old one. It was super bad. Look, no wonder why the car was shaking too much. And this is the new one. All right, to put the motor mount, you can do it from underneath here, but it might be easier to do it from the top. I think we have to pick up the engine just a little bit more. Okay, right there should be fine. And put the ones in the bottom too. Now, don't tie them all the way in. Okay, put this one all the way. Right there. And now put the bottom one all the way. Now lower the jack all the way down and tie them all again. All right, guys, moment of truth. Oh man, way better. Let's see, the water is barely moving this time. Let's put it on reverse. And it's a big improvement. Honestly, it's a big improvement. Let's put it on drive. Wow, I mean, I'm happy by replacing those mounts. We have a big improvement. And that is it, guys. Motor mount has been replaced. Everything looks nice and perfect. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber already. I'll be putting a link down below for, with my PayPal account. If you want to donate, you don't have to. You'll help a lot. I'm also going to be putting link down below for the videos on how to replace the other motor mounts as well. And also a link down below for the parts if you want to buy them. So all right, I hope I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, peace.